It's so amazing. I couldn't believe it. I was like, holy crap. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be checking out this new dash cam by Z3G. It's the Z3G. And this will be getting the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating hands down. It is one of the best dash cameras that I have ever had in my hands. It does 2560 by 1440p at 30 frames per second, and it goes all the way down to 720p at 120 frames a second. Holy crap, people, it's amazing. Let's do a quick unboxing and check out the contents. Manual, awesome camera, about 15 feet of cord to go from the device to the charger, 2-port charger, GPS, what? GPS and mount, and additional cable for another device for charge. I will show a video right now on how to do the installation. It's relatively straightforward. Okay, mount the suction cup on the window like so, and then twist the GPS like so. Adjust the camera accordingly, and you're good to go. That's pretty much it. Then you, with the supplied cable, plug that into the top of the GPS. Make sure obviously the GPS cable is here. It goes into the camera, which you see. And you just plug this into your USB power. It could be with that supplied USB charger that comes with it, or whatever you have currently in the vehicle. If you manually turn on the device, it'll stay on for about 15 to 20 minutes. I was floored. I couldn't believe it, because all the cameras that I've tested maybe lasted 2-3 minutes. So I was like, holy crap. The menu system on this is really straightforward. It's unbelievably incredible. Very intuitive, very simple. Really, it's not overly complicated. You could take still images with this. It's quite impressive. It is recorded on motion, which is great. So you can set that up as much as you like. It's really a great dash cam. I'm quite impressed with it. I like the fact that it will actually, screen will turn off. You can set the timer to be 1, 3, or 5 minutes to turn off. So you can also set up the 1 to 3 and 5 minutes for recording. It also supports 128 gig memory card, which is impressive. That is huge. This is a must-have camera. It is, and it's not overly expensive. It's just over $100. I will have a link in the description below to purchase this. It has GPS capability. What the hell you need GPS for? But when you download the included software, it tells the person where they were. It shows you in the screen. It tells you how fast they were driving, in kilometers per hour, by the way, and it tells you the location where they started and where they ended. It's so amazing. I couldn't believe it. I was like, holy crap. This is huge. This is great for Ubers. This is great for Lyft. This is great for Taxicab drivers. This is perfect if you want to keep tabs on your driver and where they've been. This is amazing. So that's why this thing gets the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. I wasn't sure that this is going to work well. Being brutally honest, but I was like, holy crap, this is amazing. So I'm blown away. My wife is getting this camera because she needs a dash cam. And I was impressed. I really, truly was impressed with this thing. Anyway, guys, if you think this video deserves a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And as always, please hit that bell for future notifications. I truly appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Take care.